Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest and greatest products. Today, we've got something that's been highly requested by many of you aspiring YouTubers and content creators out there. We're talking about the Sensen 10 inches ring light with 50 inches extendable tripod stand, an absolute game changer for anyone looking to up their video quality and lighting game. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why this might just be the best ring light for YouTube on the market. Let's dive in. So, what makes the Sensen 10 inches ring light with 50 inches extendable tripod stand so special? Well, to start with, it's a complete lighting solution designed to make your videos shine. Whether you're a beauty guru, a vlogger, or a TikTok sensation, this ring light has got you covered. High brightness and clever touch control. The Sensen ring light features a high-sensitivity touch panel design. It's not just about aesthetics. It has a longer life than traditional mechanical buttons. This means you'll have full control over adjusting the 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels. Perfect for achieving that ideal lighting setup for your videos. Versatile accessories. The USB-powered control ensures your safety while enhancing the ring light's brightness. The phone holder is spring-loaded and extends up to 5.3 wide, accommodating almost all smartphones, with or without a case. Fully customizable portable tripod stand. The tripod extends from 15.7 inches to a whopping 50 inches, giving you the flexibility to set it at any height you need. It's short enough to place on a tabletop and tall enough to match your height, making it versatile for a variety of video shooting scenarios. Wireless remote shutter. No need to rely on a friend to take your photos or start and stop your videos. The pocket-sized Bluetooth remote allows you to take selfies or group photos from up to 30 feet away. And it's compatible with most Apple and Android smartphones, like iPhone 8, 7 6th series and Samsung Galaxy series. After-sales service. The manufacturer offers 12 months of after-sales service, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase. Now, let's take a look at what you can expect when you unbox this fantastic product. So, there you have it, folks. The Sensen 10 inches ring light with 50 inches extendable tripod stand is a fantastic addition to any content creator's toolkit. With its versatility, ease of use, and affordability, it's no wonder this product has become an Amazon's choice item. If you're ready to take your YouTube videos to the next level and achieve that professional lighting you've always wanted, click the link in the description below to get your very own Sensen 10 inches ring light with 50 inches extendable tripod stand today. That's all for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with this ring light, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.